Good morning, students. Today we are going to learn laws of exponents for real numbers. So real numbers, we are going to apply laws of exponents. You have learned the laws of exponents in your lower classes. So suppose I am writing a raised to n. A is the base and n is the exponent. All of you know that. Now laws of exponents. First one you have learned a raised to m into a raised to n is a raised to m plus n. Second one, a raised to m divided by a raised to n is a raised to m minus n. If m is greater than n, you get a positive here. If n is greater than m, you get a negative number here. So now the third one. Suppose what is a raised to minus 1? You can write it as 1 by a. A raised to minus 2 is 1 by s squared. So if you get a minus integer here, you can write like this. Then next one is a raised to m, the whole raised to n is a raised to mn. Then next one, a raised to m into b raised to m. Here you see both the base are different but the exponent are same. Then you can write down this is a into b, the whole raised to n. Then what is the value of a raised to 0? A raised to 0 is 1. A raised to minus m is 1 by a raised to m. These are the things you have to remember. These are the laws of exponent. I am going to apply all these laws in doing the question. That means you have to, in the case of rational number, I am going to use this. So question number 1, find first one 16 raised to 1 by 2. You know this is 1 by 2. Here this is exponent, 2 is here. So you have, if possible, you write down this base as a power of 2. Therefore you can cancel this 2. So you know 4 squared is 16. The whole raised to 1 by 2. That can be written as 4 raised to 2 into 1 by 2. A raised to m, the whole raised to n is a raised to mn. This 2 and 2 can be cancelled, so it is 4 raised to 1. Answer is 4. Second question, 81 raised to 1 by 4. Here exponent is 1 by 4. Therefore, as I have told you here, if possible, you write down this 81 as a power of some number. You can take 81 as 9 squared. And you can take 81 as 3 raised to 4 also. See, you write 3 raised to 4, the whole raised to 1 by 4. That is 3 raised to 4 into 1 by 4. You can cancel it. So answer is 3. Answer is 3. Suppose you are taking 9 squared here. This is raised to 1 by 4. Then it will become 9 into 2 by 1 by 4. This is again 9 raised to 1 by 2. Again this 9 will become 3 squared, the whole raised to 1 by 2. That is 3 squared into 1 by 2. It will come 3. Third one, 8 raised to 2 by 3. 8, 2 into 2 into 2 is 8. So 2 raised to 3. The whole raised to 2 by 3. That is 2 raised to 3 into 2 by 3. 3 and 3 cancel. It is 2 squared. 2 squared is equal to 4. 32 raised to 2 by 5. So 32 powers 2, 16, 2, 8, 2, 4, 2, 2. 2 raised to 5. So 2 raised to 5, the whole raised to 2 by 5, that is 2 raised to 5 into 2 by 5 is 2 squared equal to 4. So here also which law you are used? A raised to m, the whole raised to n is a raised to mn. So this one a raised to m, the whole raised to n, you multiply this m and n. So question number 2, again simplify. First one, 3 raised to 2 by 3 into 3 raised to 1 by 4. Here base is same, exponent is different. So it is a multiplication. So you can apply a raised to m into a raised to n is a raised to m plus n. So this is 3 raised to 2 by 3 plus 1 by 4. 3 raised to, see here LCM is 12. 3 4s are 12. This is 2, 4, 8 plus 3. So it is 3 raised to 11 by 12. You can see the answer is 3 raised to 11 by 12. So the next one is 1 by 2 squared, the whole raised to 5. 1 means you can take it as a power, any power. So it is, this can be written as 1 by 2, the whole squared, the whole raised to 5. That is 1 by 2, the whole raised to 2 into 5. That is 1 by 2, the whole raised to 10. So 1 by 2, the whole raised to 10. So if you want, you can write it as 2 raised to minus 10. Now the third one. Five raised to 2 by 3 by 5 raised to 1 by 5. This one also base is same, exponent is different, but it's a division. A raised to m by a raised to n is a raised to m minus n. So it is 5 raised to 2 by 3 minus 1 by 5. That is 5 raised to 15 as LCM. 5 2s are 10 minus 3. That is 5 raised to 7 by 15. So this is the answer for this. This one is a raised to m into a raised to n. That is a raised to m plus n. So we added this exponent. So you got the answer 3 raised to 11 by 12. This one is a raised to m, the whole raised to n. I made 1 by 2 squared as 1 by 2, the whole square. So then a raised to m into a raised to n is 1 by 2 into 2 into 5 is 1 by 2, the whole raised to 10. Now the fifth one is 3 raised to 1 by 3 into 5 raised to 1 by 3. Here you can see exponent is same, the base is different. A raised to m into b raised to m is a into b, the whole raised to m. So this is 3 into 5, the whole raised to 1 by 3. That is 15 raised to 1 by 3. So here a into b, the whole raised to m. So I have to show you a raised to m into a raised to n is a raised to m plus n. A raised to m divided by a raised to n is a raised to m minus n. A raised to m, the whole raised to n is a raised to mn. A raised to m into b raised to m is a into b, the whole raised to m. So just simplify 81 by 16, the whole raised to minus 3 by 4 into 25 by 9, the whole raised to minus 3 by 2. This one this 81 and 16 raised to 4. So you can write on 3 3s are 9 3s are 27 3s are 81. This one is 2 2s are 4 2s are 8 2s are 16. So therefore this one can be written as 3 raised to 4. 16 can be written as 2 raised to 4. So that means you can write it as 3 by 4 the whole raised to 3, the whole raised to minus 3 by 4 into this one 2. So it is 5 squared and 3 squared. 5 by 3 the whole squared, the whole raised to minus 3 by 2. So it is 3 by 4 the whole raised to 3 into minus 3 by 4. 5 by 3 the whole raised to 2 into minus 3 by 2. So here this 2 and 2 be cancelled. So here 3 raised to 4. 3 by 4 the whole raised to 4. This 4 and 4 cancel. So it is 3 by 4 the whole raised to minus 3. 5 by 3 the whole raised to minus 3. So to make this one as positive, you can write this 2 raised to 4. Okay. So this is also 2. So it is 3 by 2 the whole raised to minus 3 is 2 by 3 the whole cube. This one 5 by 3 whole raised to minus 3 is 3 by 5 the whole raised to 3. So this is 2 cube by 3 cube. This is 3 cube by 5 cube. So these two are cancelled. So it is 2 cube by 5 cube. 2 cube is 2 2s are 4 2s are 8. 5 5s are 25 into 5 is 125. Next one, find A and B. So when root 2 plus root 3 by 3 root 2 minus 2 root 3 equal to A minus B root 6. Take this one and rationalize this. Root 2 plus root 3. So you have learned this rationalization. You have to multiply with the 3 root 2 plus 2 root 3, both the numerator and denominator. Here A plus B into A minus B is A squared minus B squared. Here it is different, so root 2 into this plus root 3 into this. So root 2 into 3 root 2 plus 2 root 3 plus root 3 into 3 root 2 plus 2 root 3. This is root 2 into root 2 is 2. 2 into 3 is 6. Root 2 into 3 is root 6 plus 2 root 6 plus root 3 into root 2 is root 6. 3 root 6. Root 3 into root 3 is 3. So 3 2s are 6. The whole by 3 root 2 into 3 root 2. 3 3s are 9. Root 2 into root 2 is 2. 9 2s are 18. 2 root 3 into 2 root 3. 2 2s are 4. Root 3 into root 3 is 3. 4 3s are 12. 6 plus 6 is 12. 2 root 6 plus 3 root 6 is 5 root 6. Divided by 18 minus 6 is 12 is 6. This is 12 by 6 plus 5 root 6 by 6. This can be cancelled. So it is 2 plus 5 by 6 root 6. You know these two are the equivalent expression. Only we have rationalized the denominator. So this is equal to A minus B root 6. You have to compare both sides. So this minus B root 6 is minus B root 6 is 5 by 6 root 6. So root 6 is cancelled. So minus B is 5 by 6. Therefore B is minus 5 by 6. What is the value of A? A is 2. So A is, compare this, A is 2. These two are equal. A is 2. these two are equal. Minus b, you got it as 5 by 6. So b is minus 5, 6. So b is minus 5, 6. So a is 2, b is minus 5 by 6.